Hey, let's do the time warp again. It's Tuesday, April the 28th, 2020. I've got a song now from the aughts, the first decade of the 21st century. A song called Draw Your Pistol Hand Down from 2004. Draw your pistol hand down. Gently please uncock it. Lay that pistol on the ground. Put your hands in your pocket. We've both seen this on TV. Neither sure what we're doing. Maybe you have a right to be angry. See this city in ruin. Mister, look me in the eye. Don't you recognize your brother, or your mother, or your father, or your sister, or your cousin? Mister, draw your pistol hand down. Maybe you learned this as a child, stealing candy from the grocery. I see you have a tattoo that says "Born to be Wild." Mine just says mercy. Maybe you lost your job, got thrown out by your baby. Hey, maybe you yourself were robbed. That's no excuse to go crazy. Mister, look me in the eye. Don't you recognize your brother, or your mother, or your father, or your sister, or your cousin? Mister, draw your pistol hand down. What is it that you fear? Let's see what you can figure. Talking into the mirror. Just take your finger off that trigger. Draw that pistol hand down. Gently please uncock it. Put that pistol on the ground. Put your hands in your pocket.